Okay, some great deals today. Do you want to see what I got? Keep watching. More Dollar Tree hooks. Comes with screws. And then I have some wall decor. One is instead pray about everything, do not worry about anything, and the other is gentle, patient, loving, and humble. And then it gives you a little idea on what it would look like on the wall. And both, sorry, I think a little glare there from that light. Hope you can see it. Another wall decor that says dreaming, lightweight, little hook on the back. And then bathroom with a green floral design. And then I have this container with a lid with 3 separate compartments. It doesn't say how big it is, but it looks like it might be just about 6 inches long. It's not very big. And then I have this glass container shaped like a heart, a dish drying mat, and 2 towels. And then over the door hooks. And the Wet n Wild lipstick in Dark Wine and Breeze. And then some more makeup, the e.l.f., which doesn't have a shade, and then the eyeshadows, the brown is a hot color and the pink is playful. Then I got some peel-off masks, 2 of each. This one's Tea Tree Herbs Complex with Nephrite for a soothing and clarifying complexion, and this one is Amethyst and Superberry Complex for intense glow and hydration. Made by Stardust. With glitter, it says. And then these makeup wipes, which are a fabulous deal, 60 count. And they have vitamins A, C, and E. One is in an orange, and one is in a cucumber. And then I grabbed the pizza pan by Cooking Concepts. And then the first DVD, Walking on Sunshine, and also Warning Shot, Master of the Rings, 7 John Wayne films, Revelation Road, and Ithaca. A small laundry basket, a new colander, yay! For those who didn't notice it, it's not over with regular kitchen stuff. This was actually with the baskets, but it certainly looks like a colander to me. Mesh strainer in 2 sizes. I went ahead and picked up some stickers this time as well, poofy stickers, which I thought were absolutely adorable. 2-pack of Roller black ink pens. And this heavy traffic carpet cleaner foam, and it compares to Resolve. This is a 13 ounce. And then 3 Charmin Megaro toilet paper and Lemon Fresh Brillo dishwashing soap. And then 3 of these baskets for storage. And they don't actually say the size, but that's it for my haul today. I hope you enjoyed it. Get yourself out there shopping at Dollar Tree. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.